So I ordered this CorkSport Front Strut Tower Brace from eBay. I got it for about 128, and I want to give a quick shout out to Phantom Slime. That's actually his eBay username. He also uh, he also sells other used car parts, so you should go check him out. I have the link below. So here's a little clip of the Front Strut Tower Bar unboxed, and there's CorkSport's logo. The strut bar mounts on two places, and I'm here unscrewing the bolts, but it's actually giving me a lot more trouble than I expected, so I'm here struggling a little bit. The good thing though is when you break it loose, you can unscrew it with your finger, which I'll be doing right here. And then the continuation of the clip shows me unscrewing the second part, and that's about it for this clip. So here I am doing the other side, and it's actually easier because it's literally the same thing as the other side, just in reverse. And then in the next clip, we are actually going to mount the strut bar to the engine bay.
What the fuck?
There it is. There, it's on.
Okay. And then just...
Switch over to the other one.
This one's not... So the installation took 5 to 10 minutes, and this is how the front strut tower bar looks mounted on the engine bay. Thanks for watching.